Rizal. Paubos na ang shot clock, 5 remaining. Marquis shooting over 40% from 3. He hits it. Maeng Are starting together with Fortsky Padrigao for the second straight game. Running start for Billy Robles. Pasa kay Alwin Alday. Lays it in transition.
Sa free throws.
Pair of free throws from Maeng Are. Robles glides in. The lefty finish on the right side.
Wala na yatang ibang mas marami pang tumitira ng kaliwang kamay na right-handed more than Billy Robles. He's so good at it.
Gabayni got in too deep. Marquis sablay sa pagkakataon na yun galing sa labas. Maeng Are sumugod na agaw ni Billy Robles. Shot clock winding down. Robles forced to take that long three-pointer. Agawan sa rebound. Napunta yung Alwin Alday. Stepping back. Marquis one-hander. Rebounded by Inan Fornilos. Tresny Kalisay off to the left. Hernandez wala pa din. Gabayni will stick it in. 4 times the charm for Zamboanga.
Batangas, Caloocan, and Quezon. You know, they went through everyone and now I think they understand where they are and so the changes are coming.
Gabayni shoots over Marquis.
You know, the aspirations this season, and I feel this is a team that you do not want to meet come the playoffs or the play-ins because these guys are relentless. Speaking of Zamboanga.
Maki H. Quick pass. Fornilos, special delivery to Joseph Gabayni who now has 6. Gabayni off the dribble. Fornilos settles for the jumper at lamang na ang Zamboanga 13-12.
Especially on his spot. Because there will be nights that you don't have Maeng Are scoring and even a Levy Hernandez, he's got to be that next guy.
91 run since that timeout. Victoria comes out of the pack. Goes ahead to lay it in. Back-to-back baskets from Paul Victoria. It's been quite a struggle for Levy Hernandez. Another fast break point from Rizal. 8 segundo sa shot clock ng Zamboanga. Maeng Are forced to take that long three and he bails them out. Mendoza, 4 seconds left. From long distance, Victoria misses and that will end